Okay, today's topic, surface treatment in the medical device industry. What is it about? What do you have to know about it? And what is the function of SurTec? That's it, SurTec, protection upgraded. No question, the two guys accept their challenge and exactly know what to do. To be honest, for the last steps of manufacturing, the outfit can be necessary to avoid any contaminants. But that's not the general way. But how can we get a definition? What are medical devices and how are they manufactured? We try again. Looks like the Terminator. Protection upgraded. Now it's obvious where the SurTec slogan comes from. But he can tell us more about medical devices. And I don't mean his cyborg mood. Let's have a look under his skin. There are metal plates like thousands of people have implanted after damaging their material bones. In the medical device industry, we call this product type an implant, one of the biggest sectors within the market. And when we take a closer look at this picture, we can understand why his expression is so furious. It's about the cleanliness of his implants. During the manufacturing process, the producing company missed a residue-free cleaning of the surface. And that's a serious problem he's not alone with. Millions of products have to be recalled by the agencies in cases of bad cleaning. Thousands of people have to live with the consequences. The reason for this is the following misstatement. Sterile is clean. In the past, in case of patient safety and biocompatibility, the answer for everything was disinfection and sterilization. But sterile is not clean. To understand this fact, we need to take a look on the products and the production process. Medical devices are no medicines I buy in the pharmacy. They are tangible products out of metal, plastic or ceramic. Within the medical device industry, we can cluster the different types of medical devices into specific categories. For example, implants and stents, surgical instruments, medical tubes, electromedical equipment, medical furniture, but also prefabricated micromechanical parts or moldings. Medical devices have their intended use in preventing, detecting and treating healthcare issues. Due to their base material, they are manufactured by companies in the mechanical or electrical engineering sector. We talk about industrial manufacturing processes to develop medical devices. And in these processes, every company has to deal with particulate contaminants like scrapings and film-like contaminants such as oils or cooling lubricants. To ensure patient safety and to guarantee the required biocompatibility, we need strong, aqueous cleaners during all process steps. In some cases, we also need chemical specialties to pre-treat the surface or electroplate finished parts. Examples for electroplating are the REACH-compatible trivalent chromium electroplating of stethoscopes or infusion stands. Examples for metal pretreatment are phosphating prior to a later coating, the passivation of a surface to prevent corrosion, or a pickling to remove a small irregular surface layer. I know at first chemical processes can be a little bit confusing though, and perhaps there's also a connection because a lot of chemists define the ability to cook not only in the lab, but when chemists talk about pickling, they normally don't think about a perfectly pickled salmon with salt and lemon dressing. They talk about professional water-based processes, step to smoothen the surface. So please don't be sad about the salmon. Let's see how beautiful a professional surface treatment can be. On the top, we see a treated metal part with a lot of irregularities. I'm quite sure you don't want to have this part in your body when you need a life-saving surgery. On the button you can see the result, aqueous chemical pickling. A smooth surface texture made possible by SurTec. A great success, isn't it? Finally, let's have a look at SurTec and what we stand for. SurTec always consider the whole process chain of the customer. Within the process, a lot of manufacturing steps influence the properties of the surface. The mission of SurTec does not end in developing and delivering chemical specialties for these demands. SurTec always provides outstanding process support and offers the best tailor-made solution for the individual needs of the customer.